Hello everyone, this is Dr. Gobind Rai Garg, and I'm very happy to introduce you to Dr. Harshil. And Harshil has kept the name of our Mission 200 Plus program, and he has scored 200 plus. The exact score is 216 in the current FMG exam. So Harshil, heartiest congratulations first.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.
Great. Harshil, please introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Harshil Doshi, and I graduated in the month of August from Philippines. And I joined the Cerebellum 200 mission program in the August only after the graduation.
Great. Harshil, how did you prepare for the exam? Actually, when did you start, and when did you finally focus particularly for the exam?
Yeah, for till the fourth year, I was concentrating on the main subjects like the concept building and all. But the tailored preparation for the FMG I started in the month of August as the Cerebellum started the program. From that month, I started my preparation until the end. I completely followed the Cerebellum schedule, lab 1, lab 2, and the last one, the marathon one, and that was the preparation.
Great. So you attended all the live lectures?
Yes, almost all the in the lab 2, I pick and choose some subjects, but for the lab 1, I attended the whole schedule, all the subjects.
Great. So Harshil, many times we usually forget to talk regarding this because it's a long period, 6 months. Yes. So you are continuously studying daily. Yes. So there must be some days when you do not feel like studying, or something happens at home or in the personal life, something happens, and you are not able to study. So how you coped up with those situations?
Yeah, in that time, I usually stop thinking about the result or stop thinking about the next days. I usually focus on that day, that what I need to do at this point of time. Like today, I am not scoring good marks, or I have not a good END. Then I used to prepare for that better, but not thinking about the result, because if you think about the result, then it would be you usually forgot the path. So
और frustration हो जाती है. Yes.
Yeah.
Great. Acha Harshil, you attended live lectures. So
Yes.
Those are for around 6 hours, 7 hours daily.
Yeah.
So what did you do rest of the time of the day?
Yeah, usually for the main for all the subjects, I used to attend, like it started around the 5 p.m. So goes till the 10 or 11. So after that, I usually used to revise that one till the 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning. And then I used to sleep, and again in the morning at 9 a.m. I used to solve some questions or related that topics. So that would be my schedule.
Great. So you used to complete the entire syllabus whichever have been taught in the lecture before the next lecture?
Yeah, sure.
Great. That's an excellent thing, because that requires a lot of dedication continuously.
Yeah, on that day only, I used to revise that content, because it would be easy at that day.
So that's great. Acha Harshil, who are your favorite teachers at Cerebellum?
One I'm interviewing with, definitely, because your mnemonics and the other the way of teaching, I'll tell you, that is very good. And other, I used to mention, it is a minor subject, but with Praveen sir, I used to enjoy a lot. Psychiatry also.
Great. Acha Harshil, please name few people who you will dedicate your success to.
So I like to name my parents. They are the one who supported me. And
please name them.
Yeah, my father's name is Minesh, and my mother's name is Trupti. And obviously my friends also, whom I spend time with in the college and in the hostel at the Philippines also.
Great. So we are very happy. We are very proud of you. And at the last, I will like to ask you, there will be many students who will be appearing in the June exam.
Yeah.
So what is your message for them so that they can clear their exam?
Simply there is message that you can blindly follow the Cerebellum 200 plus program. We also had the doubts that is this the enough content for us? Is this would be enough? But at the end of the day, at the end of the exam, if you did this much and revised this much 2 to 3 times, it would be more than enough for us.
Thank you, Harshil.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you so much, and congratulations to you, and pay my regards to your parents also.
Thank you, Doc. Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.